Hi kids, how are you? I'm back with another video. This video is our revision video of the last week, what we have done, as well as what we have done in this week in our online classes. So, let us start with our first topic, that is the reading of chapter number 2, the sunflower. We have already done half chapter reading phonetically. Today we will complete the reading part. Okay students, so let's start. So students, take out page number 17 and we have done the reading part. First and second paragraph we have already done the reading. So let us start the reading from here. Let us start with phonetical sound. SH is sh, e, she, s, v, e, m, s, swims, t, u, to, the, s, a, r, f, a, s, surface, e is silent, and, comes, comes, o and e is silent, t, u, to, the, sh, o, r, shore is silent, sh, e, she, s, e, s, sees, the, g, o, l, d, n, golden, e is silent, la, I, t, light, g and h is silent, it, it, is, is, the, sun, sun, sh, e, she, h, a, p, a, l, e, li, l and y is li, happy, li, g, a, z, e, z, gazes, at, it, it, all, d and a, day, y is silent, day, suddenly, suddenly, e is silent, sh, e, she, turns, turns, r is silent, to, u, v, a, r, d, s, towards, the, va, a, t, r, water, sh, e, she, s, e, s, sees, h, r, her, re, e, f, l, a, k, shun, tion is shun, reflection, h, r, her, g, o, l, d, n, golden, again e is silent, h, a, r, hair, b, e, k, m, s, becomes, o and e is silent, y, a, l, o, yellow, w is silent, p, a, t, a, l, s, petals, h, r, her, g, r, e, n, green, g, o and w is n, gown, p, e, k, m, s, becomes, o and e is silent, l, e, a, v, e, s, leaves, h, r, hair, ta, a, I, n, e, ni, tiny, f, e, t, feet, b, e, k, m, s, become, b, e, k, m, become, o and e is silent, r, u, t, s, roots, sh, e, she, is, is, now, now, a, sun, sun, flower, flower. To the is this, the a day, sun, flower, sunflowers, face, e silent face. The sun, as it, travels, e is silent. Across, the sky. I hope students, all of you have understood the reading part of this chapter. Now all of you take out page number 19 in your book. Okay students? Before starting page number 19, I want to explain a very little part, and that is, there are some words which are made of two words, joining of two words. Like suppose I am saying butter and milk. Butter and milk. So what it become? Buttermilk? Okay, if I want to say house and wife, what it becomes? What is that word? Housewife. Yes. Then if I want to say suppose butter and fly, what it become? Butterfly. Yes. Okay, let me give you one more example. Let me think. Candle and light, what it become? Candlelight. Yes. So these words combined, these are called combined words. Okay, the words which are made of two. Okay, when we are joining two words together and make a single word. Okay, so take out page number 19. We will do the matching. Okay students? All of you take out page number 19 and let us do the matching. Tea, cup, butter, fly, sun, light, dew, drop, shoe, lace. Okay, so it's very easy work. Now let us start with another topic. So students, our next topic after this is very easy. That is has and have. So student, has and have. First I will tell you when these two are used. Okay, has and have are used when we are having something, a thing belonging to something. Okay, like when we in Hindi we say the word pass. मेरे पास ये चीज़ है. So in English we use it has and have. Okay, a thing belonging to somebody. So now I will going to tell you when we will use with which pronoun and noun words we will use has. Has is used with he, she, it, and with also singular noun. Singular noun means when we are talking about one person. With that we use has. And have is used with I, they, we, and with the plural noun. Plural noun means when there are so many persons. We are talking about so many persons. We are using have. Student, take out page number 19. Fill in the blanks with has or have. As I told you, has and have is used for the thing which a person or a thing have, means belongs. A thing belongs to a person or a people. Okay, I dash means I, with I what we use? Have. A pet dog. Riaz is a name of one boy. For one boy what we use? Has. A little sister. They is more than one. With they we use have a big umbrella. Number 4. Xavier. Xavier is a name. Xavier, one boy name. So what we'll use? Has 6 bananas. We will not see the word after the dash. We will not see what is written. But before the dash, we have to see whether it is we are talking about one or more than one. Okay, like Xavier is one. We are not talking about 6 bananas. We are talking about Xavier. One has. We. For we is more than one. Have the tickets in our bag. Rima is a name of a girl. So Rima is a name of one girl. Here we will write has a new bicycle. It is red in color. Number 7. I. With I what we use? Have 2 pencils in my pencil box. 8. Monkeys. More than one. S is written. Monkeys more than one. What we write? Have long tails. So students, after has and have concept, let us do the alphabetical order. All of you know what are alphabets? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H? Yes. If I will give you some words and you have to arrange in alphabetical order, will you able to do? Let's try, okay? So let us first read what is written in this flashcards. Tarun, Varun, Arun, Rahul. Okay. So out of these 4, which alphabet comes first? T will come first. In alphabetical order, V will come, A will come, or R will come. Yes, definitely we will start with A. So let us put this in the beginning. Okay. Arun. A is the coming in the alphabetical order first. Okay. After A, what will come? T, V, or R? Yes, definitely R will come. Yes, so let us put it in the second order, right? Then after R, what will come? T or V? Which alphabet will come first in ABCD alphabets? T, yes. And then V, yes. Okay, so A, then R, then T, and then V. So let us take one more example. So first of all, let us read it. Sun, air, water, earth. Now out of these 4, which alphabet will come first? S will come first, A will come, W will come, or E will come? Which alphabet will come in the first in the alphabetical order? Tell. Yes, A will come first. So let us put it here in the front. Yes. After air, A will come first. Then which one? S, W, or E? Which one? Yes, it's E, earth. Okay, now S will come first or W will come first? Think. S, yes. And after that, the last one will be W. Okay, it will come like this. Air, A will come first, then E will come first. Then after that, S will come. Then W, that is water, will come. I hope students, all of you have understood how to arrange the word according to the alphabets. Okay, so all of you take out page number 20 in your book so that we can do this exercise. So students, take out page number 20 in your book. Okay, study skills. Arrange these words in the ABC order. ABC order means alphabetical order. So words are given in this box. So let us read the words. Gown, water, sun, day. Petals, nymph, climb, and tiny. So let us start with alphabets. Okay, let us read the alphabets. First alphabet is A. Any word starting with A? No. B. No. Then C. Yes. So write down climb in the first. After C, D. Yes. Here. After D, which alphabet will come? E. Any word? No. F. No. G. Yes. Count. See. After G, H. No. I. No. J. No. K. No. M. No. N. Yes. Here it is. Nymph. Yes. O. No. P. Yes. Petal. Q. No. R. No. S. Yes. Sun. After S, T. T, any word starting with the yes, tiny. Here it is. After T, U, no, V, no. Then W, yes. Here, water. Then after that, no other alphabet. So we have to arrange it according to the alphabets. Okay, students? Now come little down. Here it is written, say these words loud. Pay attention to the two sounds of G. As you know, G have two sounds. One is G and second is J. So the first box, if you will read the words, all the G sound will be G sound. And the second box, wherever G is written, the sound is J. So let us read it. Ga, a, d, n. Ga, g, garden. Got, g. Grow, g. Game, g. Again g sound. Give, g sound. Gift, g sound. Okay. Now let us read the second box. Giant, j. Gel, j. Giraffe, j. Jam, j. Cage, k-a, j sound. Magic, magic. Have you understood? Here, two sounds are there. So we get confused with these two sounds because G has two sounds. That is why. So these are the words with sound of G and these are the sound of J. So please read these two sounds again at home. Okay, the words. Now let's learn to listen. Here I will say some words. Okay, what you have to do, the word which I am saying, you have to circle the picture. I hope students you are ready with your pencil, right? So I am saying some words and there are so many pictures given. Okay, so you have to circle only that picture which word I am saying. Okay. Okay, first word is sun. Wherever the sun picture is there, you have to circle it. Okay. Next word is fish. If you can see the picture of a fish, in that you have to circle it. Sunflower. The third word is sunflower. Okay. Now the fourth picture is fairy. Okay, again I am repeating. First word sun, you have to circle it. You don't have to write the number, only circle it. Then fish, sunflower, fairy. I hope you have done it. So let us check whether you have done right or wrong. Okay. The first word which I have said, sun. Second word, fish. Have you circled it? Then third word, sunflower. And the fourth word, fairy. So these four picture you have to circle. Don't circle this plant picture because in this chapter we have talked about fairy. We were talking about sun. We were talking about sunflower and where fish. Why? Because there was a mermaid. Yes, because her half of the body is like a human being and half like a fish. That's why we were talking about a little bit of a fish also. So that's why we have circle it. Okay, students? Students, in page 21, we have to do this question. What we have to do, you have to look at the picture and you have to write down 3 to 4 sentences on this picture. Okay? And you have to see the words which are given in the box. You can use that words also. Like the first sentence is already done. I can see a mermaid swimming in the sea. You can write down I can see a crab. You can see a crab? Yes. Swimming in the sea. You can write down I can see a turtle and a fish, starfish, or you can write down, or you can write down fish in the sea, or the mermaid is wearing a gown, or you can write down a green gown, anything as you like. Okay, I hope students all of you have understood the whole revision what we have done till now. Now what you have to do more? Yes, you have to see the video properly. Those who have not attended or those who have also attended the online classes, they have to see the video and you have to like and subscribe the video and you have to press the bell icon. Okay, and along with that, in the comment box, please write your name, class and section. Okay, students, bye. Take care.